Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Mackenzie and today I'm going to be doing a Disney gift guide for you guys for the holidays and just for any time in general. I have been loving looking at gift guides on Pinterest, on Instagram, just seeing what people are asking for, just getting different ideas on what to gift other people. You guys know that my family is a Disney family. My mom, my dad, my sister, my husband, we all love going to Disney together. And so I thought it'd be really fun to do a gift guide for people in your life that love Disney, or maybe you love Disney and you don't know what to ask for, but you have a trip coming up. I just thought it would be really fun to do, and I have so many fun ideas. I have everything kind of scattered about in front of me. So I just thought it'd be fun to kind of give you a guide for the Disney lover in your life, and I think it's going to be really fun. Before I get into it, I want to say that everything is going to be linked down below for you guys. There's a lot of small shops that I'm going to be talking about here, so be sure to go and support them. I just love finding new small shops to support. I love finding little goodies to gift before trips and stuff. So I think this is a really good curated list of a bunch of different things you can get, whether you have a trip coming up, whether you know someone with a trip coming up, or whether you just need a little bit of magic at home. This is going to do it for you. So let's go ahead and just dive right in because I am too excited. The first thing I'm going to talk about. So whether or not the person you're shopping for is a pin trader at Disney, once they start, I hate to tell you, but you're going to be hooked because my family and I, we were not big pin traders, and a couple of trips ago, we just started randomly opening mystery boxes because we loved seeing people do that in their vlogs and we just wanted to participate in the fun, and now we are hooked. Especially my sister, she loves pin trading. So one of the first gifts I want to talk about are these little foam pin boards from Pinfolio. Again, they'll be linked down below, but these are great for like the beginner pin trader, someone that just likes to pin trade kind of for fun and just casually, because we wanted a place to store our pins that we could have like our pins that we want to keep if we open a good mystery pack, and like these are my keepers here, and then we have one that we could just pull out of our bag to trade with. I love these. They come in a set of 5 for this size, and they're just so easy to take out of your bag. They're the perfect size, and we just have so much fun with them. I'm looking at my pins now and I'm getting so excited. I miss pin trading so much. So I think these are a great way to get people involved in pin trading, or for people who don't really have a place to store their pins. These are great. Pinfolio also has some like pin board books and binders for people who are like way more into pin trading, who have like beautiful pins that they need to display or collect. And so there's something for everyone if there's a pin trader that's very beginner or expert level. I love them. I have great customer service when I've worked with Pinfolio before, just like ordering things and asking questions. So definitely check them out because I think these are just like the perfect little gift they can bring into the park. Kind of along the same line of pins. Like I said, you just get this like adrenaline rush when you're opening a pin pack or you find a pin on the board that you've been looking for. It is so much fun, and bringing that magic home is even more fun. So my next thing I want to talk about are mystery pin boxes. I think my favorite part about pin trading is opening mystery pin packs because it's so fun to try to get the ones that you're looking for, to guess which ones people are going to get. And even if I'm not opening them myself, watching someone else open them is just as much fun. So I picked up this pin box for my sister for Christmas this year. So Madison, if you're watching this, surprise, you get to open a pin box on Christmas. And I just think it's going to be like the gift that keeps giving because she's going to be so excited to see a pin box, but then we also all get to be excited because we get to watch her open it and like figure out which one she wants. Getting these pin boxes, they're not sold on the Disney Store website. So if you're in the parks and you're thinking about it, pick up a couple extra to give as a gift throughout the year, or to gift yourself throughout the year, just to give you a little magic at home. But I am not someone that thinks that far in advance. So I picked this up off of eBay, and it was literally the same exact price, including shipping, that I would have paid in the park for the box. I don't know if like people are using their annual pass discount and then selling them for the normal price on eBay, but I didn't pay anything extra. I didn't feel like I was like price gouged at all. And I just cannot wait to see her reaction and to see her open it. She didn't have one that she's like specifically trying to collect, so I got this one because it just looks super fun. And I think we've opened one of these in the parks before, so I cannot wait for her to open them. I think it's going to be so much fun, and I'm excited. It's a gift for me as well, like I said, because it's going to be so much fun. I don't know who I hope she gets, but these pin boxes, they're iconic. I love them. Next up on the list is something else that you could bring into the park or gift someone to bring into the park. I mean, this is an essential item. It is a park bag. My favorite park bags are from Bagoo. I have the medium crescent. It is the perfect size park bag for the parks. I mean, I vlog my trips like you guys know, so this has my camera, my phone, my pin boards, like wallet, everything in here. I can fit a water bottle, and it's just perfect. I love the long strap. I can like wear it around my head or just like kind of hang it off my shoulder. So I think this is the the perfect gift for someone that has an upcoming trip to Disney World or just to upgrade your park bag. I mean, I love these Bagoo bags. I think I'm actually gonna ask for one for myself for Christmas in like a fun purpley color. I'm gonna put a picture over here so you guys can see it. But I just think these are a great find. I'm not someone that likes to carry a backpack. Usually my husband carries the backpack. I just wanna have something that's easy to access for all of the things that I need throughout the park, and this has been great. I use it outside of the parks too as like my regular bag when I'm out and about running errands. So this is the perfect bag, not just for Disney, but outside of it as well. And it's really great material. You can just like wipe it down. If it gets wet, I've had no issues. And if you're looking for a park bag for someone or for yourself, then highly recommend getting one from Bagoo. Kind of in the same realm as far as bags go. I think these Vera Bradley like Disney collection bags are perfect. I love this print. It's got like Mickey and Minnie on it. And I just think it's so cute. I love packing with these for Disney because I put all of my Disney specific things in here. So I store my new Wemos in here, my magic bands, just whatever I need. That way when I'm looking in my bag when I get to my resort, I can just look for my Disney bag and know it has all of my Disney things in it. So they have a bunch of different sizes, a bunch of different styles, but these are just the perfect size. Like you can see, I kind of have some stuff in here from last trip, but just hold a bunch of different stuff as far as the Disney necessities go. And I think these are just super cute. You can use them as a makeup bag when you're not in the parks. This is just great. I love them. And I think I'm gonna pick up a couple for my mom and sister to have because last trip they were really jealous of mine. So I'm gonna get them that. So surprise. Again, I'm giving away all my Christmas gifts this year. It's fine. Next, for something that if you want to accessorize in the park, add a little touch of Disney magic to your park outfit. These earrings from Spinning Carousel Company, I love them. These are the mini leader of the club earrings. They have them in bigger sizes, different colors. They have necklaces, bracelets, more different kinds of earrings. I absolutely love this. I think they are such good quality. I think they are beautiful, very subtle if you're looking to like add something subtle to your Disney outfits in the parks. I haven't gotten to wear them to the parks yet, and I think they're just gonna add so much and just like make my outfits feel a little more magic, a little more Disney, but without being like too like in your face, if that makes sense. So I really, really love them. Definitely check them out. They're a small shop that I just love. Again, great customer service. Just absolutely love these earrings. Like, look how pretty those are. The gold, they're the perfect size. I love the minis. I cannot wait to wear them. And there's a couple other pieces there that I'm eyeing for myself as well for my next trip. Definitely check them out because there's a bunch of different options outside of just like the classic Mickey look. So highly, highly, highly recommend those. And then moving on to another small shop. These are from 13 Wishes Designs. I love these. I've seen so many people on Instagram with them, and I finally was like, I need to get some for myself and for my family. So they're just like coffee mug holders. This one is more for cold drinks, I believe. I got this size. It can hold like a venti Starbucks, which is usually what I get in the parks. But I just got this Christmas pattern because we are going to Disney next Christmas. And I thought it would be so cute to have these because my hands always get cold when I'm holding the cups. So this is perfect because December in Disney can get a little chilly and you need this. But my mom and sister drink coffee and they always get like a hot coffee in the park. So I got these little cute warm coffee sleeves for them. I think they're absolutely gonna love them so much, and they're so reasonably priced for what you're getting. They're such good quality. I've been using this obviously outside of Disney as I was running errands. I picked up my ice green tea and I was just like sipping this. I feel like it brought me a little bit of magic here when I'm at home. So highly recommend 13 Wishes Designs. They have other stuff as well and other patterns in these little cup holders. So definitely check them out. They're so cute. Such good material too. Way to go, guys. I love those. Next, this is gonna seem really simple and basic and obvious, but Disney gift cards are a great gift for the Disney lover in your life. One of my favorite gifts that I've gotten was one of my friends. They knew I was going to Disney and they really didn't know what to get me. So they got me a Disney gift card with a cute card that said Disney lunch on me, like enjoy your trip. I just think that's such a fun way to give a gift card, is to like kind of specify what you are envisioning them using it for, even if they don't use it for that reason. So I think when I have friends having trips coming up, I'm gonna give them a gift card and like put it in a cute little box, get a cute little card that says like drinks around the world on me. If you don't go to Disney often, you might not know that Disney gift cards can be used in the parks for food, drinks, snacks, merchandise. I think sometimes people think that they're just for like the Disney store online, but you can use them in the parks. You can even use them to put money towards your trip, which is what I do a lot of the time. So Disney gift cards are very versatile. And if you're kind of just like, I don't know what to get them, I know they have a trip coming up, I don't really have time to order something, getting a Disney gift card, trust me, they're gonna love it. Just get a cute little card, put it in a cute cute little box. I mean, it is the perfect gift for anyone going to Disney because they will use it 100%. So absolutely love getting Disney gift cards and gifting Disney gift cards for people with trips coming up. Next on the list is something that probably brings the most magic into my house. It is these little scent diffusers from the Magic Candle Company. These are just great. I'm gonna go through the scents that I have with you guys because I use them all the time in my little essential oils diffuser. I love the house smelling like Disney, and they have these diffusers, they have candles that have like very specific park scents that are very, very accurate, by the way. So if you have like a specific scent you love at Disney, I think this is a great thing to ask for. I love having these in my office, and like when I'm editing the vlogs or editing videos, like having these going in the background. Certain scents at Disney just bring you to a specific place, and these do just that. So the 3 scents I got the French Riviera, smells like the Riviera Resort, lovely scent. Then I got the Bakery on Main Street. This is more for my husband. He loves the scent on Main Street that's being pumped out. It smells like cinnamon rolls and just baked goods and just wonderful. And then lastly, I got the Pop Century scent, the scent of the Pop Century Resort, because that's one of the resorts we stay in the most. That's one of the resorts I have the most memories at. So this is probably my most used one. Using this, I just feel like I'm back at Pop Century, like I'm checking in on check-in day, on travel day. It's just highly recommend. I want to buy some of their candles as well because I just think like a warm, cozy candle is just so great, especially when it's Disney themed. It doesn't get much better than that. So highly recommend getting these if you have some scents on your list that you love, or you know that one of the people in your lives love. Like, this is just such a good thing to kind of take them back to those memories. I can smell them right now, and I'm just like, oh, I'm at the Riviera, I'm at Pop Century, I'm on Main Street all at once. It's great. So more things to wear in the parks. There are so many small shops that have amazing t-shirt designs. I could name so many. I will name a couple at the end. I got to get my list on my phone, but I just love getting like a very fun Disney tee that's like very specific to Disney, but not like in your face Disney. I don't know. So this is one of my favorites. It's from Main Street Tourist. It's the Spaceship Earth t-shirt. I just love this because it's the perfect shirt for Epcot. It's comfy, it's cozy. I just love what these small shops do as far as designs. They are really designed for Disney people. They're just very creative and very like subtle Disney sometimes, or like taking a spin on my favorite attraction. I just love them. I think this shirt is so cute, so fun. Let me grab my phone so I can tell you guys a couple other shops that I love. Even if I haven't bought a shirt from them before, like just some of their designs that are crazy and beautiful, and I love them. Happiest Things Trading. They have really cute sweatshirts that I love and that I want to purchase. Like I said, Main Street Tourist. Park Hop Tees. I love them. Sage and Sprout. That's another good one. Love Sage and Sprout. I haven't bought anything from them yet, but I'm like, every time they come out with something, I'm like, I am eyeing that. Main Street Thieves, another one that I love. There's just so many. So if you guys have like a small shop that you love shirts from, sweatshirts, whatever it may be sure to comment them down below, because I love just like looking through the shirts. I actually am about to go through my like Disney shirt collection, probably like swap a few out and get some new ones. So be sure to comment some down below so that way we can all see where we need to be shopping. But love those so much. So be sure to go check out those small shops and support them because they are coming out with beautiful, crazy, imaginative designs that are just iconic. So those are great for the parks. Also, another thing that I really love doing is like thrifting for Disney shirt. I think it is so much fun to go thrifting and like find a Disney shirt that you can wear into the parks. I haven't had the best luck here in our new city with thrift stores as far as finding things for Disney goes. So going on places like eBay, Poshmark, finding some like old school Disney tees is so fun, and you can get some great stuff, especially if you're looking for a little more specific things. Then definitely going online to try to find them is a good way to do that. But my husband, he's very picky when it comes to shirts, just like in general. So trying to get him Disney shirts is very difficult, especially because he doesn't really like a lot of the things that Disney comes out with specifically. So I found him this Disney shirt on eBay a long time ago. It's an Animal Kingdom shirt, very simple on the front, but on the back, like, they just don't make them like this anymore. Like, this is stunning. They had a bunch of different colors too. So just like looking for maybe their favorite park or their favorite ride, seeing like if there's anything old school that is on eBay or that you can find in a thrift shop. Like, this is so fun. And my husband wears this shirt all the time, even outside of Disney. So I call that a win, finding another shirt for him that he likes. And then the last little goodie that I want to talk about are park hats. I am a hat girly. I love wearing a hat into the parks, especially because most of the time you're at Disney, it's sunny, it's hot, you need a little extra shade. This is one of my favorite ones. It's from Adelide's Fort. It says, "Sorry for talking about Disney 24/7. I just love this. This is like the Disney hat. I'm pretty sure I wore it like on a travel day one time, and I got so many questions about it because when you're heading to Orlando, a lot of people on your flight are usually also going to Disney. So absolutely love this one. Love this hat. I just purchased another one from Circa Society. Look at this. I'm gonna put it over here. It hasn't come in yet, but I'm so excited. It's a World Showcase hat. They have so many great designs there too, like specifically hats. There were so many that I like really couldn't choose. I'm also looking at this one because on our next trip, we might be doing a character breakfast. So this is perfect. Again, these small shops, like they just have so many creative designs and ideas and things that can really elevate and add to your Disney outfits when you're there. Because that's one of my favorite things when I go to Disney. It's like planning the outfits, kind of putting them together, adding Disney touches, whether it be like jewelry or hats or a fun t-shirt or my park bag, like whatever it may be. It's so much fun to do that. And the Disney person in your life is gonna love that too. So these little hats, just think they add to the outfit so much, and they're kind of a necessity on hot, sunny park days. So definitely recommend looking into like finding the perfect hat for the person you're shopping for. But I think that's gonna be it for my list. I didn't want to do too much because I could go on and on about gift ideas for Disney. So I am gonna link some gift guides down below that are a little more specific for the Disney people in your life, whether you have someone that likes to vlog or do social media in the parks, take pictures, like all of that, or for the person who plans all the trips or that likes to rope drop. I'm gonna have very specific gift guides linked down below that you guys can check out that I think will be really fun too, that go into a little bit more detail and that maybe you can make like a gift basket with. I just think it's so much fun to shop for Disney, and my love language for other people is like giving gifts. Like I love to give gifts to people and make gift baskets and just like find the perfect gift. So especially for the Disney people in my life, this has been so much fun kind of coming up with these gift guides, thinking of things that would be great to give someone going to Disney or to ask for if you're going to Disney, or if you just want that Disney magic back in your life when you're not at the parks. Like one of these things is gonna do it for you. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this little Disney gift guide. I had so much fun doing it and like getting all my Disney things out, and just looking at them makes me want to book another trip. Comment down below if I should, because I'm getting the itch again. And thank you guys again for coming along for another Vlogmas video. If you don't know, I am doing Vlogmas, so I'm gonna have a Christmas themed video each week leading up to Christmas. I'm doing really good so far because this is my second one and I got a newborn at home. So I'm very proud of myself for getting these out. But this one was really easy to do because it's Disney and Christmas and gift giving, all things I love. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.